Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of WhatsApp as you see. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.